Let's turn now to our meditation. We don't applaud at my church. But thank you. Let's take a moment now to get comfortable in our seats. And I invite you to take a deep breath in. Close your eyes if you wish. Release and let go into this beautiful, sacred presence of oneness. Breathing in peace. Breathing out love. I invite you to imagine just this beautiful current of healing light moving down through you, relaxing you from the top of your head, down through your neck and shoulders and torso, through your abdomen and your hips, thighs, down to the very bottom of your feet. Just feel peace flow through you. Breathing in and breathing out. And remembering in this sacred time of reflection that our inner wholeness outpictures into outer harmony. I invite you for this moment to feel your heart expanding out to embrace this entire beautiful world, this beautiful country, this wonderful community, Unity Village. And say in the quiet of your own heart, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be free of suffering. May all beings know peace. Breathing in and out, sending this love and this blessing out into the world. That all beings be happy and healthy, and free of suffering, and at peace. I invite you now to turn that same loving energy within to your own being, sending love to yourself on your own journey through life, whatever you may be facing. And say in the quiet of your own heart, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be free of suffering. May I be at peace. Feel the love of God moving in and through you, expressing as you, blessing every cell, every fiber of your being, every fondest wish, every dream, every heartfelt intention. May I be happy. Say it to yourself. May I be healthy. May I be free of suffering. May I be at peace. Invite these blessings into your own heart for a few moments as you commune with Spirit in the silence. And feel gratitude begin to stir within us. As we take a moment to be grateful for our own journey, blessing our own wholeness, our human and spiritual sides, ourselves, our masculine and feminine, all of it, blessing us in our wholeness. Giving thanks for these amazing examples who've come before us, Charles and Myrtle Fillmore, Yeshua and Miriam the Magdala, and so many others. We are so grateful. We are open and receptive, and we are ready to carry on. Thank you, God, and so it is. Amen.